What's up, you guys? Welcome to a new video, a new living life casually, and we are back to kind of normal. I'm trying to get back into my routine and things like that. So mom is still here, so we're going to the Hague city center today. I have like some stuff that I need to get to the tailor. I have this pair of Reformation jeans that I need to get taken in, and you guys always ask me like what to ask for at the tailor, so and then I'll show you like what he does, right? So I'll do that, and then maybe we'll go to Bijenkorf, like a department store, to get some makeup, and I guess that's it. Maybe just wander around. So we'll see where the day takes us, but let me show you my outfit of the day. All right, so here's the outfit. It's actually beautiful weather today. It's even a little bit sunny and cloudy, like in between each other, but the temperature is pretty okay. 20 degrees, I mean, for October, that's not bad at all. So I'm wearing this Lily silk shirt, black. You know, it looks like so put together because of the material. I just love it. But this shirt is like so old already, and it's even like, if you see like really close up, it's losing its color a little bit, but I still love it so much. It looks a little bit vintage, so it goes so well with these jeans from Everlane. Just my favorite jeans in my whole wardrobe, I would say. This trench coat is also from Everlane. It's like a drapey kind of trench coat. It's not like very structured, but I love it. And Isabel Marant loafers, and I have this Salmond handbag. So, oh, and the sunnies are from Prada.
Kijk, wat jij zegt, meestal doen ze je koep nader, maar wij doen dat niet, want dat is net wat wij doen is, we halen het van de waist, halen we het hier, nemen het hierin. Ja. En de zijkanten, om dit origineel te houden, dat nemen we hierin. En de zijkant. Dus dit ga ik ook nog loshalen, en dat duurt wat langer. En die lusjes, die zijn dus losgehaald en die komen dan weer terug. En jij wilt die niet, je wilt die weg hebben?
Houden.
Oh, houden?
Ja.
Okay.
very fruitful day. Yesterday I was feeling very down, very dark, but today is a better day. And so we went to the city center, we went to Bijenkorf, we went to Douglas, we went to Ethos, all of the like very Dutch stores. I hope that you enjoyed the footage. And the only thing pretty much that I got was like this sweatsuit from H&M. Super cute. I'll try it on for you maybe later today or tomorrow. That's it. And then we went to get some groceries, and that's pretty much it for today. But it was a very nice day, wholesome day in comparison to yesterday. Like yesterday I was such in a dark place, like thinking, overthinking so many things at the same time, processing everything. And you know, sometimes you try to stay positive. Like, of course I'm a very positive person, but it really gets you at times. So yesterday was like one of those days. But luckily, like, I'm very aware of my feelings and my thoughts, and I can acknowledge them and give myself grace and space also to deal with them better. And I also like communicated like very clearly to the people around me what kind of support I'm needing at the moment. So yesterday was a very adult kind of day, and then today was balanced with something a little bit more fun and light, because you know, that's what life is about, right? So I'm going to get my makeup off and get ready to wind down. Alright, you guys, as promised, this is the sweatsuit from H&M, and I do like it. It's not like Frankie Shop, you know, I have this sweatsuit from Frankie Shop as well, which is a little bit more stylish, you know, with the shoulder pads and everything. But this is good enough. It is a good size. I'll leave the sizing and everything linked below. It's good. It's a good set for at home or run some errands. It's a nice and put together thing. And the trick is to get something that's monochromatic. Like, if you do that, immediately your outfit will look nice, you know, give it a little bit of a tuck in, add some jewelry, no one will know. So yeah, the plan for today is I have these over here. I'm going to finally do my wardrobe switch over. I'm very ready for fall, and the weather is like finally becoming fall weather. Like, we had a very slow beginning of summer, and then it went all the way through October. So I'm not saying finally in the sense of I'm looking forward to the cold. I'm just looking forward to the fashion. You know, being able to wear all the layers and jackets and trench coats and things like that. So that's the plan for today. And by the way, you guys, I always forget. I've been meaning to tell you this in forever, but I always forget. For example, like this set right here, I already posted it today on LTK, like my LTK. If you have to first of all, you have to download the LTK app. That's where it's like the one-stop shop or place where you can find all the outfits that I post on YouTube, on Instagram, TikTok, all the things like in one place, very easy for you to shop. I always put like product reviews, so the sizing, like how it fits, if it fits true to size, the materials, like I put like a little description if it's like applicable. And I also, like with every post, I put like similar items, either if the exact item that I'm wearing is no longer available, or I saw like a more affordable option. I always do that. And that's like the best way to, I mean, besides watching my videos, that's the best way to support me if you like buy through my links. For full transparency, I do get a commission, but it doesn't cost you anything. So you support my channel, you support my business, and you also support like the effort that I put into curating, you know, all the outfits for you. So if you want to get like first dips, really like download the LTK app, and whenever you're thinking of shopping for something, just check the LTK app first. See if you find like the things that you're looking for, and then go shopping from there. The videos that I shoot for YouTube, they take a little while to go live. So I have to, of course, edit it myself or my editor. I have like my posting schedule. I only post like 2 to 3 times a week. So, you know, on LTK, I post every single day. I'm even trying to post like twice a day now, so I can, you know, share way more outfits with you there, and products and new things that I see or get. Also before they sell out, because a lot of these things, like it's so annoying sometimes that you see something, even though the style is very timeless, they don't really have like a lot of stock, or they go, you know, in and out of stock. So it's like very annoying in that way. So if you want to get the exclusivity before everyone sees it on YouTube and Instagram, really LTK is the place to be. What's up, you guys? We're going to a Diana Ross concert today. I'll show you my outfit. It's kind of sick, so I'll show you my outfit when we get there, if it's not too dark. I totally forgot to film it in the studio. Good morning, guys. Okay, so yesterday I was too tired to give you like a recap of the night, but the concert was so nice. Like, I went for my mom, of course, it was her idea, but I do know like some bangers of Diana Ross. I mean, she's an icon, she's a diva, so many hits. And also the crowd was so good. In the beginning they were a little bit stiff, but then they got like, we had like a group of people around us that were so nice, like dancing. We had I danced like some salsa with them. It was so much fun. So it was a very nice night. And today we are going to a soccer match, football. It is the Netherlands against, I have to see against who, but it is like a qualification game for the World Cup, if I'm not mistaken. And it's just nice to, you know, with everything going on, just to have some social activities to get your mind off of things, of thinking too much about everything. I'll take you along with me today as well. All right, you guys, this is the outfit that I came up with for the football, the soccer game. The sweater is from Frankie Shop, t-shirt is also from Frankie Shop, and both the t-shirt and the sweater has shoulder pads to give it like super dramatic kind of look and feel. And I love that you see a little bit of the t-shirt peeking through here and also right here. I did like a French tuck right here. And these jeans are super old from Levi's. They are pitch black. They wash and stay pitch black, which is what I love. And they have like a slight flared leg, and shoes are Air Jordan 1s low, and handbag is Jacquemus. Yeah, I did a red lip. I never do a red lip, very, very seldom, but I like it. I like it with this outfit. It's just something a little bit extra. So let's go to the game. Alright, you guys, just got home from the game. We actually just got half of the game because we were super late, trouble with parking and all of that. But the game was okay. We lost 2-1 from France, but it's okay. It was a nice like atmosphere and everyone cheering and stuff, but that's it. I'm so tired. I'm going to take my makeup off and then go to bed. So thank you so much for watching my vlogs. I just try to, you know, share a little bit more of myself in my vlogs. So I appreciate you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.